Are you tired of dealing with refrigerator heating issues? Look no further than the YesParts 530-452-2340 durable refrigerator heater. This premium quality heater is designed to meet and even exceed OEM specifications, ensuring top-notch performance for your appliance. With a full 1-year warranty or a 90-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, you can trust in the durability and reliability of this product. Installing the heater is a breeze, and it's exact to fit most top-brand refrigerators, making it a versatile solution for various models, compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, including FFDR 1813 VB0, FFDR 1814 VW0, FFDR 1835 VS4, and many more. This heater is a must-have for anyone experiencing heating issues with their appliance. And rest assured, when you choose YesParts, you're not only getting a high-quality product but also peace of mind knowing that you're using a product that's backed by a reputable company. Say goodbye to refrigerator heating woes with the YesParts 530-452-2340 durable refrigerator heater. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.